Hi, Matt Buyer Organizing with Downsizing Step 8, Consolidate Keepsakes. Do you struggle with making decisions over sentimental items? If you're worried that this is the part where I tell you now you've got to get tough and get rid of them, relax. Keepsakes are the most irreplaceable items we have. You don't want to make any hasty decisions that you'll regret. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't address them at all. Here's what I recommend. The most important thing to do with keepsakes when downsizing is consolidate them. Keepsakes tend to be distributed in closets, shelves, and rooms throughout the home. We find keepsakes to be the most under-recognized category. Therefore, they often lack a centralized storage area. Now is the time to work on one. So start by recognizing the keepsake category as you sort items in your home. Bring them to a central location, perhaps a bedroom, for processing. Unlike the majority of the garage and basement contents, you will probably keep the majority of the keepsakes. So it makes sense to move these upstairs because I recommend storing keepsakes out of view in a place like the attic. The reason it makes sense to bring all keepsakes together is for the same reason it makes sense to sort any category. Context drives decisions. For example, if you collect all framed photos from throughout the house all together, you can see them together and compare them. There may be some duplicates that you can get rid of now. Some may be more faded and can go now because you can see that you have the original saved in an album or a box that may have come from another part of the house. Besides seeing everything together, you are at a point in your life where time has passed and you can look back at old priorities and forward to your new priority of downsizing. You might be pleasantly surprised by just how much that helps. If you find yourself running out of time, focus on prioritizing the larger keepsakes. Will you really have room to keep them in your new home, or has the time come to give them a new home? It may help to take a photo of a larger keepsake, ideally with someone enjoying it, before letting it go. For smaller keepsakes in large categories like personal letters, greeting cards, and photographs, save them as projects if you're running out of time. Just focus on sorting like items together and label the boxes carefully. This way you can sort quickly and move the process forward so that when you have time in your new home, you can pick up this project more easily and do a further purge. Again, the answer is in consolidating. Often I see folks struggling with sentimental keepsakes because they feel like it's the type of thing they should be unloading. This is a difficult time, so please cut yourself some slack when it comes to keepsakes. You've done a great job of unloading the lower value replaceable stuff first at this point. There's no need to do the perfect clean out. Remember, you just need to get your home to a point where it's cleared to sell. So with keepsakes, the goal is consolidation, not perfection. Next time in Downsizing Step 9, we look at another tough category, paper. But unlike with keepsakes, you can expect to unload a lot of paper fast and feel great about it. Hopefully feeling great happens with every step. When you break it down like this, downsizing should feel a lot more manageable. Take a deep breath, relax. You got this. I'll see you next time.